Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Vidya for Success. In today's session, let us study problem related to hypergeometric distribution. So here given A is equivalent to 5, B is equivalent to 3 and N is equal to 3 as parameters of hypergeometric distribution. So these are the parameters of hypergeometric distribution. So we have been asked to find probability of x is equivalent to 1. So first let us write down, already we have been given that A, B and N value have been given here. So right away let us start with probability mass function. So the probability mass function here is, in order to find probability of x, P of x is equal to ACx BCn minus x divided by ABCn, where x can take value 0, 1, 2, dash dash, minimum it can have a comma n value. Okay. So we need to find the probability of x taking the value 1. So that's why A value is 5, 5C1 into B value is 3, 3C 3 minus 1 divided by 5 plus 3 is 8, C n value is 3. That is 5C 1 is 5 into 8C3. 8C3 is nothing but 3C8. 3C8 is nothing but 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial, that is 1 factorial into 2 factorial. So here 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 1 into 2 into 1. So 2 into 1, 2 into 1 gets cancelled. We are left with only 3. Okay. So here 3C2 is 3 divided by 8C3. 8C3. So 8C3 is nothing but 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 is 5 factorial into 3 factorial. So 8 factorial is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 into 1 divided by 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So 5 into 3 into 1 gets cancelled here. 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are so 2 ones are 2 ones are here, 2 gets cancelled here. So 8 sevens are 56. 56. So 56. So that is 5 threes are 15 divided by 56. So the answer is 15 divided by 56. The answer is 0.2679 is the answer for this particular problem. So I hope you have understood this particular question. So this question will be asked for how many marks? This question will be asked for 2 marks. Okay. Now let us take up the second problem. The parameters of a hypergeometric distribution are A is equal to 3, B is equal to 8 and N is equal to 6. Find mean and standard deviation. Very easy problem. What is the mean of hypergeometric distribution? Mean is equal to N into A divided by A plus B. This is the mean. So what is N value here? N value is 6 into what is A value? 3 divided by A value is 3 plus 8. So 6 3s are 18, 8 plus 8 plus 3 is 11. So 18 divided by 11 will give us the answer 1.636 is the answer. 1.636 is the answer for mean. Similarly, we need to find standard deviation. What is standard deviation? The standard deviation formula is n into AB into a plus b minus n divided by a plus b whole square into a plus b minus 1. So, since it is a standard deviation, we need to apply square root. So, square root of NAB into a plus b minus n divided by a plus b plus square, a plus b whole square into a plus b minus 1. So, now let us substitute. So, square root of n value is 6 into a value is 3 into b value is 8 into a value is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay. Next, followed by that, here a value is again 3 plus b value is 8 square into a value is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 minus 1 is 10. So, that is square root of 6 3 is 18, 18 into 8 into 5 will give you the value, final value is 0.7714. The final value is 0.7714 is the final answer. Okay. So, if you want, I can simplify here. Okay. 6 3s are 18, 18 into 8 5s are 40. Again, you need to multiply it here. 11 square into 10. 11 square is nothing but 11, 121, 131. We have 11 square into 10. You need to work here. Okay. 11 tens are 110, 110, 121 here. 121. So, you need to simplify and later you need to take the square root. The final answer is 0.7714 is the final answer. Thank you.